ChatGPT just killed resume writing, but it also created a $1,200 AI system nobody is using. And if you're still writing resumes the old way, you're already behind. Right now, thousands of people are copy-pasting prompts into ChatGPT, dropping resumes into Canva, dropping them right in, and selling $50 gigs on Fiverr. And they're all getting the same result. Hi, I'm the digital twin of Chief AI Architect Farkhan Shah at Everything AI LLC. No responses, no interviews, no real income. Not because AI doesn't work, but because they're using it wrong. AI didn't remove opportunity, it exposed low-value work. And resume writing, as a standalone service, is now low value. Because if anyone can do it in 5 minutes, why would anyone pay you? Here's the real shift nobody's talking about. There are two types of people now. People who use AI and people who build systems with AI. If you're just using tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Canva, you're replaceable. But if you build systems, you become harder to replace, easier to hire, and significantly more valuable. Let me show you what's actually happening behind the scenes. Recruiters are overwhelmed right now, not with bad resumes, with AI-generated resumes. They all sound the same, feel robotic, have no personality, and show zero business impact. So what happens? They get filtered out instantly, not because they're bad, but because they're invisible. Recruiters don't care about your tasks anymore. They care about one thing: results. Instead of saying, I manage team communication, you need to say, I reduced project delays by 18%, saving $42,000 annually. That's what gets attention. That's what gets interviews. That's what gets offers. Now, here's where this gets interesting, because while everyone else is competing at the bottom, there's a small group of people quietly making $1,000 plus per client using the same tools. Same ChatGPT, same Canva, same everything. So what's the difference? They're not selling resumes, they're selling systems. Let me break this down. Most people sell a resume, that's it. Top 1%, they sell a career positioning system. That includes resume, LinkedIn optimization, strategic positioning, interview prep, narrative building. Now, instead of being seen as a freelancer, you're seen as a consultant. And consultants don't charge $50, they charge $500, $1,000, even $1,200 plus. Here's the exact stack that makes this work. ChatGPT for drafting, Claude for human tone and rewriting, JobScan for ATS optimization, Canva for layout, AI interview tools for premium upsell. But here's the truth, it's not about the tools, it's about how you connect them. That's the system. AI gives you speed, but it cannot extract real achievements, understand human psychology, build positioning strategy. That's where you come in. That's why people pay. Here's the rule you need to understand. AI handles the 80%. You own strategy, context, positioning, confidence, and that's what makes you irreplaceable. Most people watching this will ignore it. They'll keep using AI the wrong way, competing at the bottom and wondering why nothing works. But a small group will understand this shift early, and those people, they'll dominate. So here's what I want you to do. Comment your job role and the biggest bottleneck you're facing right now. And I'll personally show you exactly how to turn it into an AI system. Also, I put together 100 plus AI tools across 29 industries. So you can start building this immediately. Link is in the description. Subscribe right now to get the 100 AI tools database for free. AI didn't kill opportunity. It just made it very clear who's replaceable and who's not. The question is, which one are you becoming? Subscribe and let's build your system.